Can you tell me about her cooking?
Oh, she was a good cook.
But everything was you shit a rein a bissel.
Yeah, we call it a shit recipe.
Yeah.
Because
shit
shit
a
rein
rein.
means pour in
Yeah.
Yiddish. And I said, I can't tell you, it's a shit recipe. You have to make it up. But she made wonderful Kreuzborscht.
Oh, yeah.
She made gefilte fish, I remember.
I told them
chopping
how I had to stay on the stool and hold the grinder down.
Yes.
Then as I got older, I had to do the grinding because it was hard for her fingers.
But imagine a woman having a business, cooking in the back,
Right.
and clean. My mother was immaculate. And at that time, everybody tells this story. They washed the floor. For some reason, they put newspapers down on the floor.
When it was wet.
When, I don't know, to protect the floor. My father would come in, never lift his feet, and we had to pick up the papers.
Yeah.
But she was a clean, and like I say, the salesman always liked to come in on a Friday.
Everybody called her Ma.
Yes, Ma.
Everybody.
Yeah.
The policemen on the beat. They knew they could come in the winter and they could get a hot cup of coffee and a shot of whiskey. Because I don't think there were any Jewish cops then.
No,
they were
all Irish.
My chicken soup is as good as hers.
Mine is good.
Yeah. That's about she used to make moon cookies.
Oh, yeah.
Now, can you
Poppy
imagine
seeds.
this woman in the store with the customers, and I love raw dough.
Yeah, and
To
raw
this
potatoes.
day, and raw potatoes. And she would go in the store, and I would go and sneak some of the dough. And then she'd take, you know what she used for a cookie cutter? A glass.
A Yortzeit glass.
Yeah,
maybe.
Yortzeit glasses were big. That's used for coffee and tea because they don't break when they get hot.
Yeah.
So she would go like this, and she'd say, you know, she'd say, "Where's
thought I
all my
made one."
dough?" You know, I didn't like the poppy seeds, but I love the dough. There were times you know, like I said, customers would come in and they would smell.
She made kichler, cinnamon, you know.
Yeah, I wish we had those recipes.
I don't have that.
And apple squares.
Yeah,
that
apple
she would
squares.
make for the Rosh Hashanah. She would make those. But sometimes she would go in the store, and my father, he was the king. He'd be sitting at the table. It would be burning on the stove because she got involved, and she'd come back and give him a what for.
Oh.
You can't get up,
Yeah,
you know?
a European mind. He'd sit at the table. It was like porcelain, and I can hear him say, "Sarah, give me a guppel."
Yeah.
Give me a fork.
He wouldn't
right
get up.
in front of
He
him
wouldn't
was
get
the
up.
drawer.
Oh, yeah, he was the
But
king.
I ended up fighting a lot with my father. Give me a guppel. I can hear him say that now.